ना 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 ना। What the fuck? टाड़ा देखो भाई, ये हमारी मेमोरी है। नीलेश ने बोला ब्लॉग करने को। दिस इज आवर फ्लैट।
ये मेमोरीज है, ये जाएगा ब्लॉग में वैसे।
बाद में जाएगा ना, अभी नहीं। कल ये मरने वाला था एग्जैक्टली। और ये सिर्फ इसकी गलती है क्योंकि कान में इतने, ये लोग जो तुम लोग जो कानों में लगा के रखते हो, तुम्हें नहीं लगाने चाहिए। यू शुड रियली टेल दिस इन योर व्लॉग, आई फील, है ना? इसको यही याद नहीं है कि इसने क्या क्या गया। दिस इज मी। ये सारा का सारा मैं उठा के लाया। नीलेश को सिर्फ मैंने उठाने दिया और खुशी को। हाँ ठीक है, खुशी ने भी एक बार। मैं 5 बार गया नीचे। 4th फ्लोर पे, हमारा 4th फ्लोर पे वेट उठाया।
Guys, you need to watch this. हम इतने गंदे घर में रह रहे हैं, अभी देखना थोड़े टाइम बाद।
पता कैसी औरत है अपने घर। झाड़ू लगाएगी तू? झाड़ू लगाएगी? पोछा लगाएगी? ना ये घर जो चमकने वाला है सिर्फ मैं चमकाने वाला हूँ, क्योंकि मेरे अंदर की असली औरत जागने वाली है।
Looking dope as hell.
मैं कह रहा था कि अंदर की औरत जाग जाएगी। Look at it. I'm clean है।
ढंग से काम कर, समझ आया? मैं पानी भर के लाई।
And here's Khushi Tiwari making chapati.
Expected that Khushi can actually cook.
Fuck you.
She's not cooking right now.
Oh yeah, that's me gonna do for sure. We also invited our producer because we took a lot of stuff from him.
What's his name?
उसे लेके सब कुछ छीलने वाला सब उससे मंगाया, so इसलिए उसे भी invited. I hope he's not gonna watch the vlog.
बर्तन धोने का काम मुझे देने वाला था, लेकिन मैंने खुशी को दे दिया।
नहीं, उसने धोए थे थोड़े से। He just got fired from his job. Pretty bad.
Oh come on, dude, let's be honest. अभी कंपेयर कर ले मेरे और खुशी के धोए हुए।
देखो कितने गोल पराठे।
Damn.
हमें खाना बनाते बनाते exactly it's like 12:30 right now and what we have cooked I want to show.
3 घंटे से बना रहे हैं।
3 घंटे से बना रहे हैं। Moreover, we invited the other person from other flat and what happened? He slept. He just slept.
And we made so much food. Ouch.
ये है सादे और प्याज के पराठे और ये है
You.
नीचे प्याज के पराठे।
नीचे प्याज आलू सबके पराठे। What's up people, good morning. Dude, it's like 6 o'clock right now. We can't even speak because Khushi's sleeping over there.
मेरे से हम बैठे। We are just friends.
Yeah, we are not hooking up this time. He's getting money now. But मैं कुछ बताने वाला था। I need to buy a dog and name it
Lavrudraj.
Cisco, not Frisco, Cisco. What's up guys? Today is the sunlight is bad.
आवाज पता नहीं आ रही क्यों, बहुत हवा चल रही है।
The video, as you have flooded me with that messages crazily, like you know कि भाई तेरी कोई और वीडियो यूज कर रहा है, don't worry, he has a copyright.
ऑटो वालों के इतने नखरे होने लग गए हैं आजकल।
Yeah.
इतने ज्यादा नखरे, इसलिए पता है मेरे को नफरत हो गई ऑटो से।
Basically, like today we have to discuss about some. Shut up. Today we have to discuss about that thing also. Like we have to discuss about some work thing. Then we have to go to Green Park because of some Ravinder का काम है कुछ. And then we have to go Sarojini Market because we have to get some stuff for the house and everything. Yeah, that's pretty much. And we are like, we are in a rush nowadays, like crazy rush. I don't know where we are going, but we are in a rush.
Oh, don't worry, Lavrudraj. We'll go somewhere.
By the way, we might be pranking Aishwarya very soon. That's what I have to talk to Khushi today. We are like really gonna prank. If this doesn't, हम नहीं कर पाते तो मैं पार्ट नहीं डालूंगा। अगर कर दिया हो तो तुम देख चुके होगे। कहाँ गई तू? अभी भी कुछ नहीं कर रहा था मैं, ओके?
अरे चलो मैं भी गेला उसने।
सच बता दे तो क्या होगा?
मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा था। I was hiding something. I was here yesterday.
खुशी पानी नहीं पीना।
मत भी। It was from washroom.
Oh my god.
That was a prank.
बाकी तेरे सड़े पे प्रैंक, हर पास प्रैंक, अच्छे प्रैंक्स कर ले, व्यूज आ जाए।
It was from the washroom. I just showed her the clip. मैंने दूसरा गिलास यहाँ पे रख दिया था और वो एक्चुअली उसने सही पानी पिया था। So let's just tell her.
ये गिलास फेंक दो, फिर खुशी को मत करिएगा।
Well, it was a different one. So chill.
मैंने उल्टे कर दिए चक्कर में।
Sorry, Kushi, can't help it. You know what, guys? This is gonna happen a lot because now we have a house. We can do whatever we want. And this was the first prank by me. Let's see what Khushi is gonna take a revenge or not. That will, I don't think so. Although
I know it's not a good prank, but he deserves to be in धूप. सड़ जाइए, काला हो जाए धूप में. फोन कर रहे हैं मुझे बाहर से.
कुछ काम नहीं है जिंदगी में, नहीं देख रहे हो तुम. टाइम टू गो फॉर सम शॉपिंग. माय गॉड, किससे बात कर रही हो तुम?
किसी से नहीं.
मैं कान में क्यों लगाया? ओ भाई, चला चला चला. That's so cool. What's up, Nilesh?
What up?
क्या किया कल रात तूने?
कुछ भी नहीं.
कल सुबह
कल सुबह कुछ भी नहीं.
मास्टरबेट करते हुए पकड़ा गया. Not kidding.
कुछ भी नहीं.
I'm not kidding. You
सुबह में तेरे साथ था कल.
कल की परसों सुबह की बात है, जब भी ये साथ में था. He was masturbating and we were like knocking it. Nilesh, come on, fucking open the door. And he was like, just coming. I'm just coming in 2 minutes. Just coming.
Okay.
Then he came up with it. ऐसा ही था. Do you believe me or him? Me. You just realize one thing. Why girls come over here? Because they get so many varieties as fuck. Like what happened? अभी कोई बंदा ना खुशी का ड्रेस दिखाया था, 650 बोल रहा था. मैंने बोला 200-150 में. लाइक मैंने 150 बोला, बंदा कह रहा हाँ रख लो. एंड खुशी मैडम, नहीं. इतनी कंजूस है मैंने. Now we are finding some place where we can go and eat. Yeah, will you guys stop doing this shit? By the way, it's my food is here.
Another one is also coming. Yeah.
Good afternoon, people. Another day we are kind of going for a shoot. As I told you that we're gonna be pranking Aishwarya, so we're gonna do that for sure. By the way, Khushi is there.
Hey, hi guys, this is Khushi.
So you know what? I am ashamed of being called as Indian because this is nowadays what is happening. First of all, the CCD वाला incident हुआ, उसमें बंदी ने उल्टा केस ठोक दिया उस बंदे पे. उसने harass किया मेरे को. He called me. भैया ये थोड़ा म्यूट कर दो. बंदे ने बल्कि दिखा रहा सच्चाई कि ऐसा होता क्या हो रहा है, कॉकरोचेस वगैरह दिखाए. I mean like what's wrong with these people? Then another thing is basically the जो black guy जो beaten up हुआ है in Noida in the mall, inside the mall. I don't know what to say about it. Like
बहुत ज़्यादा मारा है उस बेचारे को. Like love just मैं इतनी ज़्यादा updated नहीं रहती हूँ, but love ने मुझे अभी वीडियो दिखाया ना. It's like what?
And अगर तुम actually हमारी वीडियोस में देखोगे, we always try to take them in our videos just to make you guys familiar that they are not what you think. Because you know वीडियोस में अगर हम उनको बार-बार I don't know this point is valid or not, but अगर हम वीडियोस में उनको बार-बार दिखाएंगे, we will show them, we will talk to them as they will give us good answers or reply or good whatever thing is, they will be very welcoming. So that will show you guys at the same time that they are not bad. You know they are.
Every human is the same. It's like there should be no discrimination, you know, against any of the religion or any of.
भैया right में left में रखना, left में. Let me continue with that thing. Yeah, I don't know. I just keep on watching such videos and I feel ashamed. You can talk about this a lot, but ashamed. Okay, guys, I'm really fucking ashamed. लेकिन वीडियोस बनाने से कम ये सारी चीजें हाईलाइट होती है. I really appreciate जो लोग वीडियो बना के डालते हैं. At the same time, try to stop it.
Asshole. That's how we prank.
This is how we prank people, okay?
इधर इधर है.
3, 2, 1, go. "24 seconds. Mind it, please. Mind it.
मेरी बात मान लो.
In 3, 2, 1, start. कहता हूँ 17.
1, 2, 3, go. Fuck. 26.
Okay, I don't know why I always start the vlogging from the kitchen side because I am always working in the kitchen when I'm kidding. I hardly cook. I cook sometimes.
घर की लड़कियां लव दराज कर रहा हूँ और वैसे ही पड़ा रहता हूँ उनके फ्लैट में. मेरे पास भी काम था.
भाई कौन सा वो है ना एक
जैसे लोग नहीं होते दारू तो क्या रहता है, लोग घर में लेट जाते हैं नीचे.
We kind of did a live stream for the first time ever on the YouTube channel, the Lozgash one, and it went pretty good. We thought that we were gonna do it for only 20 or 25 minutes, but it went for fucking 47 minutes. That's great, and I'm talking fucking a lot. Like I'm speaking fucking word a lot. So yeah, today was productive. We pranked Aishwarya. She cried. You're gonna see this a lot. I'm pretty sure you must have already seen that because this vlog is gonna come on Sunday for sure. And then we did a किसने डाल दी? ये देखो, रुक दिखा ये देखो.
Love Rudraksh Fan Club.
Oh my god. So guys, today we nailed it. What I found in my flat.
He did it. उसने बुलाया और वो पे चक चक.
Love that is mine.
Oh, is it?
इसलिए मैं आके पढ़ा देता हूँ मेरे बैठने.
Bye. Back in the auto, bitches.
You know, if you will see one thing, we started traveling in auto a lot because we need to save money, and this is how you save money.
Yeah, this is how you save money, exactly.
It's like 9 o'clock right now. We are going home. What's up guys, today is Sunday and it is like really hot. You know what guys, yesterday it was Titli Chatterjee ka birthday tha. So guys, do wish her, I wished her. See, I'm again starting the vlog from the kitchen. I feel I have some connection with kitchen. So by the way, I was telling you one more thing guys. You must be wondering by the vlog is about to end. You must be wondering that why this flat and like, you know, why did we take the flat? The reason is it's only for work purpose. It's not for hookups. It's not for, oh my god, I can make this thing also the thing, you know, hookups. It can be for hookups at the same time. No, it's not. And it's not like we are staying over here at night or something. We just go back and it's just right now it's me only over here, all lonely. Well, I'm waiting for someone, so that's another thing. Chamak rahe na bhai dono. So yeah, by the way, this is Ashutosh. I was telling you कि मेरी एक meeting है, so I was just having a discussion with this guy. You want to tell something about you, bro? Hi, हरियाणा में कुछ बोल के दिखा दे.
सबने राम राम है.
Yeah. Okay, so the new video that I uploaded yesterday is getting pretty good response. The likes amount and dislike amounts are amazing, and amazing comments. But one thing, बहुत ही ज़्यादा लोग मुझे गालियाँ दे रहे हैं इस वीडियो में, हद से ज़्यादा. Like, you know, people are commenting like supporting Aishwarya at the same time, but they are abusing me crazily over there. They are like, why, how could you do that? But you know, I was just trying to update or upgrade the level of pranks, and it was just on us and it was just for few minutes, like, but it's okay, it doesn't matter much. To say it takes a lot of effort, it takes a lot of mind first of all, because coming up with an idea every week is not a bachcho ka khel. Trust me, like I'm doing it from last 2.5 years. It's a big deal. So sometimes I feel bad about it when people literally abuse me and they like they don't see my hard work, they don't see the creativity or innovation behind it, and they are like, you know, just saying things. But it's okay, you have all the rights, but I also have the right to, you know, describe or explain what I feel. So that I did, and I really appreciated that you guys are giving way too much love. So yeah, that's all guys. This is ending this vlog right now, and I hope you will like this vlog. This week was amazing. First we uploaded the killer prank, then we uploaded the live stream, then the prank, now the vlog. 4 videos in a week is perfectly fine, I feel. So guys, enjoy it, like, and also give the like and comment what you think about everything, okay? Bye bye guys, take care, see you on You Never Know.